Hello everyone. Nowadays we are going through this very difficult situation and very difficult time because of this pandemic of coronavirus, and it will continue to remain as it is until and unless this vaccine comes out. So till then we will have to be very careful, and the things that we need to do is that we need to adopt these preventive measures. Like for example, our prime minister has said that social distancing should be there, wear the mask, use sanitizer. So these all things, and whenever it is necessary, then only move out of this house. Until and unless it is very much necessary, don't move out of this house. So these all things are there which you should take care of. So this was the basic thing that I need to tell you all. Second thing is that I am talking to various people nowadays in this pandemic, that apart from this coronavirus, as they are taking preventive measures, they are facing lots of other health issues. The most serious one and common one is the digestion problem. So therefore I thought to make video on this. So to avoid this complication of digestion, so to avoid this problem of digestion, what we need to do is that first of all we should understand that how the process of digestion is taking place. To understand this process of digestion, you should make certain common concepts clear, so that you don't face this digestion problem. The first thing that each and every common people thinks, that this process of digestion starts in the stomach. So this is very wrong concept that is there. The thing that happens is that as soon as you take in food inside your mouth, there only digestion process starts. Like we know that food contains lots of nutrients, like for example carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins, iron, and various types of vitamins. So these all things are there in the food, due to which food is considered to be the complex substance. And when we take in this food as which is a complex substance, we need to break down into simple soluble substance, which is only done with the process of biting the food with the help of teeth. So inside our mouth, we cut the food into small pieces with the help of our teeth. There are various types of teeth that are present in our mouth, like for example incisor teeth, canine's teeth, molar teeth, and premolar teeth. So incisor teeth is used for cutting the food, and canine's teeth are used for tearing the food. Molar teeth are used for cracking the food and breaking the food, and premolar teeth is used for grinding the foods. So different types of teeth has different types of functions, which helps to make the food cut into small pieces. After this process, what happens is that there is a salivary gland that is present inside our mouth. This salivary gland secretes saliva, which makes the food soluble. Second thing what it does is that the starch that is present in the food is converted into simple soluble sugar, because the starch is not a soluble things that can starch is a insoluble thing. So to make it soluble, it is converted by the saliva into simple sugar, so that it can be swallowed easily. Now after that, we swallow the food, and the food through the food pipe, which is 8 to 10 inches long. Food passes through this food pipe, which is also known as esophagus, into our stomach, which is a hollow muscular bag, and the wall of the stomach secretes gastric juice. Now this function of this gastric juice is to break down the proteins that are present in the food. So now after this, what you are going to know is that if you are not going to take food in proper time, this gastric juice is just going to damage the wall of the stomach, which can lead to ulcer. So this is the most serious problem that anyone can face if they are not going to take the food in the proper time. So they should be taking their meal, like for example breakfast, lunch and dinner at the proper time, and should not stay hungry for long period of time. So I have came across many people saying that they are facing with the problem of gastric, they are facing with the problem of ulcer. So this is the reason behind why they are facing this kind of problem. So if anyone don't want to face this type of problem, and if anyone is facing this type of problem, they should avoid staying hungry for longer period of time. So this problem can be avoided if you take food at proper time. After this, the food is passed on into the small intestine, which is said to be the longest organ of the body because it is as long as 20 feet. So in the small intestine, three types of juices are secreted. The three types of juices that are secreted are pancreatic juice, bile juice and intestinal juice. So the function of these three types of juice is to extract the nutrients that are present in the food, and through the blood, through the vessels, it is sent to all the part of our body. And after this, the excess amount of water and roughage is sent to the large intestine. So here what we come to know is that if you don't take if in your food the quantity of roughage is lacking, then in this case you are going to face the problem of constipation, which many of the peoples are facing. So to avoid this kind of problem, like for example constipation, you need to take sufficient amount of roughage in your food. So the thing that you can do for this is that you can take raw vegetable, like for example cucumber, carrot, radish, etc., beetroots. If you are going to take this kind of food in your diets, you can avoid this problem of constipation. So you should take roughage in very good quantity, so to avoid this problem of constipation. Now in the large intestine, the solid waste that is present is thrown out of the body through the organ named as anus. It is a small opening from where this solid waste is thrown out of the body, and the excess amount of water that is present in the large intestine is sent through the vessels to the kidney for purification. Now kidney is the excretory organ which purify the blood, and impure water is sent from the ureter, which arises from the kidney, to the urinary bladder. It is like a tube like structure which arises from the kidney and ends to the urinary bladder. Now the kidney that I have talked about, which the function of which is to purify and filtrate the blood, it is present in human body. There are two kidneys that are present in the human body, which is of bean shaped structure, and after this there is a tube like structure named as ureter, which arises from the kidney and ends to the urinary bladder. The impure water, which is said to be the urine, is sent from the kidney to the urinary bladder through ureter. Now in the urinary bladder, the urine gets stored, and from here it is thrown out of the body through the organ named as urethra. So this is how the digestion process takes place and excretion process takes place in the human body. So whatever process has been discussed with you all, if in that process whatever is the requirement for the digestion, if you take care of this all fact, so you are not going to face any kind of digestive problem, like for example gastric, constipation, ulcer. So these kind of problems can be avoided by whatever measures I have just now told you all in the video. Another few things that what you can do to make your digestive system proper is that you should always take sufficient amount of water. 8 to 10 glasses of water should obviously be taken by each and everyone, and in the hot season it should be increased. The quantity should be increased in the hot season. Now the thing that you can do more is that you should take food in the proper time. You should take your breakfast, you should take your lunch and dinner at the proper time, so that your digestion process remains healthier. You should always even wash your hand before taking meal, because in your hand there are various types of microorganisms present which can harm your digestive process. And even nowadays you are going through a pandemic, in that you should also, by taking care of that fact also, you should wash your hand regularly. You should avoid taking fatty food, because that is just going to increase your weight, and your you will be start facing the problem of obesity, in which you will not be able to do your work actively. And if you not be active, your digestive problem is going to get lots of damage will be there in your digestive problem. So you should avoid taking fatty food in your diet. So these are the things that you should take care of. And one more thing, that you should not overeat. How much amount of food is required to you, you should eat only that much amount of food. You should not neither undereat nor you should overeat. So balance should be maintained in your eating process. If you are going to take these all measures which is told by me in this video, so I don't think that any kind of digestive problem anyone is going to face. I hope that you all like this video, because this is very informative video, and this kind of problem is faced by almost all the Indians, because nowadays we are staying at home, and as we are staying at home, we are just not as much active as we were in the past. So in this period you must follow this all process, and you must exercise regularly. These are the things that you should take care of. Please share this knowledge, because more you share the knowledge, more you will be benefited, and other person will also be benefited. Share the video so that more and more people can take advantages of this knowledgeable and informative